Hello everyone, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a 2012 Ganesh KSL-5210T. This machine comes with a Fanuc0i-TD control. It comes equipped with a Collet chuck, a Tailstock, chip conveyor, a 10-station turret with some tooling. As usual, I'll list all the specs in the description below. Let's take a look at this machine. Well, there you all have it, the Ganesh KSL-5210T. If you have any more questions at all, go ahead and call us at 909-919-9600 or jump onto our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time.